Alright y'all, so this is the car. This is a 2015 Dodge Charger Pursuit. It's about 8, huh? Yeah, this car about 8 years old. So it is old. And I bought it when it was about, well, it had 106,000 miles on it. I can get the exact number, I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. But yeah, it had 106,000 miles on it, so I've had this car for a while, and also I had it when it was already at 100,000 miles. But you just need to pay attention to the history of it. So with this car, personal, it was a police car. As you can see, it has the old police light areas. This car is dirty right now, so ignore that. But as you can see, it did have, this is one of the holes the police lights are on. Yeah, man, so I've done a lot to this car. I got this car when I was 17. I had just turned 17, so I've had this car for about 2 years now. So one thing I will say is this car can be a daily driver. In the beginning, I was averaging about 15 miles per gallon. I'm gonna set the camera for you. I'm gonna set the camera up for y'all. But as I was saying, this car does have 122,000 miles on it right now, as you guys can see by the thumbnail and title. So yeah, this car is actually I would say a good car. So I'm gonna go over a few things in this video. I'm gonna go over about 5 things to look for, and also tips for longevity, and just what to look for when you're getting a Charger with 100,000 miles on it. So first things first, hold on. I'm gonna turn something. All right, y'all. So first things first, I did have a few issues with my car. So when I first got my car, as soon as I pulled it out the driveway the first night, the radiator had broke and my car started to overheat. So that was one thing, and the first issue I ever had with this car. I would say the next issue I had was, so my brakes are going bad, and also I'm gonna need some new front axles. Don't drive too rough. I do pulls here and there, you know. So yeah, I don't do any burnouts. I don't do any donuts, you know, stuff like that, because this car is all-wheel drive anyways. So I didn't use the stock police tires on this car. I used them about for a week, and then I put some new tires and rims on here. So I can't tell y'all much about the tires, but the tires I did have last about 2 years. A lot of people say you burn tires, but my tires lasted a while. So since I went over my issues, I didn't have too many, like I said, just a few. The radiator in the beginning, brakes, my axles, and then also my belt snapped on the highway, and it was because of my pulley. The belt itself didn't break, but it snapped off the pulley, and the pulley but the pulley had broke. That's what it was. The pulley broke. All right, y'all. So it's about 1 in the morning. So I'm gonna make this video real quick for you guys. I just wanted to come out here and show you guys my car, and also give you guys a few tips on if getting 100,000 mile Dodge Charger is for you. So the first things first, I'm gonna give you guys a tip. Like I said previously, do not try to do a lot of burnouts, donuts and stuff, because one, you could mess up, you know, just your diff and everything like that. Like, you could, just first things first, you know, you'll be spending more money on tires and stuff like that. So another tip I give you guys is when you're buying a 100,000 mile Dodge Charger, just know that this car has been beaten a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, this car has been beaten a little bit. My car specifically was a police car, so maintenance on it is you know, kept up. But if you're buying a car like this off of anyone that you know, just own this like a civilian car, really. So just know that it might have been like a 17-year-old, you know, 18-year-old just dogging it. And that's for any really muscle car, I would say, or just Dodge Charger in general, buying them used. Another tip I would give to you guys is, if you guys are in the market looking for a Dodge Charger, getting one above 100,000 miles isn't actually a bad idea. So what I did is I got an old police car. Now with the police cars, they are kept at a higher standard, I would say, than civilian cars. So that's one thing to look out for when buying a Dodge Charger with a lot of miles on it. If you guys need a website for police cars, I can give you guys one just from where I got mine, so you guys can check them out if you are looking for one. Now I'm gonna give you guys my personal opinion. Me personally, I've had this car for a while, like I said, and it's really fun, I would say. I've done a lot of mods to it, nothing under the hood, just cosmetic wise and, you know, exhaust work. I am planning on doing that for my next car, so you guys stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, so another thing is, if you are looking for a Dodge Charger just in general, all right, so I did buy this car back in 2021, like I said, but I had it around 106,000 miles when I first got it, and I now have 122,000 miles. So I did put a lot of miles on this car. So is this car reliable? Yes, this car is definitely reliable. I've only really broke down once, and that was when my pulley snapped and my belt broke off of it. No other time has it failed on me on the highway or just in general, you know. So for $13,000, it was really like $13,900, you know. This car has been nothing but reliable for me. Yeah, it does eat a lot of gas, but if you're looking for a Dodge Charger or just a muscle car in general, gas isn't really something you care about, right? But just know you'll be at the gas station a lot. Like, the lowest miles per gallon I'd probably say I had in this Charger is about 9. I really think that's just because the older engine. I don't really know. I tried to reset it a few times, but it said I had 9. So I wasn't steady on the foot back then. I used to step on it a lot. But yeah, y'all, that'd probably be the end of this video. Let me know if it was helpful for you guys, because I'll make another one like this. I just wanted to make a short video for you guys. It was late, and just, you know, try to stay on this daily upload schedule, you know. If this video was helpful, check out my other videos. I do have another Dodge Charger video for you guys that you'll be able to learn a few things from. If you guys did enjoy this video, let me know down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And then this is 𝘤𝘩𝘢𝘪𝘴, and I'm out.
I ain't moving around with no niggas that be settling. And it's like I'm booted up and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past like that shit even close to relevant. Get that shit in between me and you, or you gon' trip without no evidence.